Welcome back. FC Goa will take on Delhi Dynamos in the Indian Super League at Nehru Stadium in Fatora on Saturday evening. This is Goa's 5th ISL match, but Zico's boys are still looking for their first victory of the tournament. The legendary Brazilian, however, believes that his team has played well, but not managed to get the result so far. Zico is also not comfortable with too many foreign players being allowed to play in the Indian Super League.
FC Goa are currently placed at the bottom of the ISL table with just 1 point to their name. With 3 defeats and a draw, FC Goa are still chasing the elusive victory in the maiden ISL. Home defeats in both their matches at Fatora have also disappointed their fans, but Zico feels that his boys are set to move up the table. The former coach of Japan, however, believes that there should have been more influence of Indian players on the ISL, which has become an event dominated by the foreigners.
Eu acho que a única diferença é que o Japão não trouxe tantos estrangeiros como agora. Eu acho que é um absurdo, é gente demais, são 10, 12 estrangeiros em cada equipe, eu acho que isso é demais.
I think the only difference that Japan didn't bring so many foreigners to play. I think in ISL it's too many foreigners, so it is not so good, to have so many foreigners playing.
Tem estrangeiro demais.
So we have so many foreigners.
E o indiano de menos.
And less Indian. So we are India, so we have to value more Indian football, so should have more Indian players.
Cada time, eu acho muito pouco.
So just playing 5 Indians in each team. So it is very few, in my opinion.
Delhi meanwhile occupy 4th place in the ISL table with 6 points in their kitty and arrive in Goa with a lot of confidence.
We didn't lose the first 4 games, but that also it is very important to go on. The competition is not so long, so we have to make our improvements week by week and game by game. So we're going to see what we can bring here, because we expect a very difficult game. I think Goa sometimes expect also more points. So in that way, before that also this team is preparing everything to go for the points. So we have to take care of that.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Pune Football Club hammered Churchill Brothers by 3-0 in the 127 Durand Cup on Friday. The Maharashtrian I-League club has thus opened its quarter-final league campaign from Pool D in great style at Raya Ground. The topper from each of the 4 pools will qualify for the semi-finals. Vasco Sports Club is the other team in Pool D.
आज के सुबह का यह रोमांचक मैच पुणे फुटबॉल क्लब जिसकी स्थापना 2007 में हुई थी, यह आई लीग की टीम है। यह ये तीसरी बार ब्रदर्स स्पोर्ट्स क्लब के खिलाफ 3-0 की बढ़त बनाए हुए और विजेता हुई इस खेल की।
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.